Students, I am continuing with the chemical reactions of amines. One question. Aliphatic amines are stronger bases than ammonia. Why? So consider two examples, CH3NH2 and C6H5NH2. If you observe the first one, we can see that one CH3 group is there. So plus I effect of the CH3 group. Because of the plus I effect of the CH3 group, the electron density on this nitrogen will be more and more. The second case, C6H5NH2, C6H5, this group has the nature of electron withdrawing. So this group withdraws electrons from nitrogen, and hence the lone pair of electron of nitrogen will be less available, or the electron density on this nitrogen will be less. And second point to be noted here is the pKb value. In the case of CH3NH2, the pKb value is 3.38. And in the case of C6H5NH2, the pKb value is 9.38. Smaller the value of pKb, stronger is the base. Next, factors affecting basic strength of amines. There are so many factors like inductive effect, solvation effect, steric hindrance, etc. So regarding inductive effect and steric hindrance, I know you are aware of this concept. Then this is a new word to use, solvation effect. Solvation means the process by which solvent molecules surround and interact with the solute ions or molecules. Next, structure basicity relationship of amines. So many questions can be asked from these areas. One question like alkyl amines are stronger bases than ammonia. Why? Alkyl amines are stronger bases than ammonia. So consider an alkyl amine, RNH2, when it is treated with an acid, we are getting RNH3 plus, and when it is treated with, when this acid is treated with ammonia, we are getting ammonium ion, NH4 plus. Now the explanation part is because of the plus I effect of this CH3 group or R, this pushes electron towards nitrogen, and hence the electron density on this nitrogen will be more and more, which makes the unshared electron pair more available for sharing with the proton of the acid. Moreover, the substituted ammonium ion formed from the amine gets stabilized due to the dispersal of positive charge by the plus I effect of the alkyl group, and hence alkyl amines are more basics than ammonia. So the order of basicity is tertiary, more basic than secondary, more basic than primary amine, more basic than ammonia. Actually, the order of basicity of amines, this is in the gaseous phase. Please have a look here. This is in the gaseous phase. Then next, order of stability of ions. Say RNH2, RNH3 with a positive charge, water, OH2O is attached here. Here also H2O is attached. Please have a look, primary, secondary, tertiary. Greater the stability of the substituted ammonium cation, stronger will be the corresponding amine as a base. In the aqueous phase, actually, the substituted ammonium cation gets stabilized not only by the electron effect of the alkyl group, but also by solvation of water molecules. Greater the size of the ion, lesser will be the solvation, and less stabilized is the ion. So the order comes like this. Next, order of basicity of aliphatic amines is primary greater than secondary greater than tertiary, which is opposite to the plus I effect based order. When the alkyl group is small like a CH3, no steric hindrance will be there. You know that. Therefore, change of nature of CH3 to C2H5 group, what happens? CH3 group and C2H5 group, which will be having more plus I effect. So, a change from CH3 to C2H5 results in change of order of basic strength. That is C2H5 twice greater than C2H5 thrice greater than C2H5NH2 greater than NH3. This is ethyl substituted and this is methyl substituted. CH3 twice NH, CH3NH2, CH3 thrice N and NH3. So understand these areas and study carefully. Thank you.